In this video, I'm going to show you how you can accept Bitcoin Cash donations on your WordPress website using this cool widget here. So people can donate Bitcoin Cash, or they can also donate other cryptocurrencies as well, but you probably want to use it for Bitcoin Cash. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can do that. It's very easy and it's very simple. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description below, and it's going to go ahead and take you to Now Payments. So Now Payments is going to be the website and the widget which processes all of the payments. So once you're here, you want to create an account. It's going to take you 30 seconds, so I'm not going to walk you through that. But after you've created your account, you can then sign in. Okay, so once you're signed in to the dashboard here, it will look something like this. All you want to do is you want to go to Store Settings, and what you first need to do is generate an API key. If you haven't got one already, it's going to generate instantly. Then you can scroll down, and here is where you want to add your Bitcoin Cash wallet. So go to Add Another Wallet. I've got Bitcoin at the minute added, but I'm going to add now Bitcoin Cash, and then you just want to go ahead and paste in your wallet address. So once you've done that, I've just pasted in an example wallet here. You want to click on the green tick, and your Bitcoin Cash wallet has now been added. Make sure you save it, and you can also choose your base currency here, which will appear in the widget. So now what you want to do, you want to scroll to the top of the page, and you want to go ahead and copy your API key. Then go to the Now Payments homepage, go to Our Products, go to Accept Donations, and you can then choose whether you want the donation widget, like I showed you in the video, or if you just want a donation button. They both work in the same way. When people click on the donation button, it's going to open the donation widget anyway. So you can choose. I'm going to generate widget for this video. You then want to paste in your API key here. Once you've done that, you're going to get some custom code, which you can then copy to your clipboard. Once you've got the code copied, you can then go to a post. I'm just going to delete the block real quick. You can put this on a post or a page. You then want to create a new block, search for HTML, and then we can then go and paste in this code onto our website. Ignore the title, by the way. Then we're just going to preview it. When it previews here, we should see the widget. So if we just scroll down here, you can see we've now got the Now Payments widget, and people can donate Bitcoin Cash to us. So I hope that video did help you out.